Hello friends, in this video we will see how to pay your LIC renewal premiums online using the Google Pay app. The Google Pay app is also one of the most popular app preferred by a lot of people for online payments apart from Paytm, PhonePe and others. So let's get started. To pay your LIC renewal premiums on the Google Pay app, you have to first go to the Google Pay app. In case if you don't have one installed, you'll have to go to the Play Store. Once it opens, type Google Pay, search, there you are. Okay, Google Pay, it is owned by Google LLC. Okay, in my case it is already installed. In case if you have not installed it, you will have to install it here. After installation, you will have to sign in to Google Pay using your mobile number. You will get an OTP after you sign up and you will have to confirm your account with Google Pay. So now to pay the premiums, you have to open Google Pay. Here you go. Under Google Pay, you will have to go for new payments. You can see it at the bottom, new payment. Look for bill payments. Once you click on bill payments, you will get in the list of the payments. From that you will have to select insurance. In insurance, look for LIC of India, LIC. Okay, here you are, LIC. In case if you find this difficult, you just go to search option and type LIC and search. Okay, here you are, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. Just click on it. So now to make the payments, initially you have to link your account with Google Pay. So in case if your account is not linked to Google Pay, you will not be able to pay the premiums. So to pay the premiums, say get started. Okay, key in your policy number 9 okay, your email ID, and account name. It is optional to enter the account name. If you want to leave it blank, you can just leave it blank. Okay, next, click next. Okay, now your account will be added or linked to the Google Pay account, and from there you can make your payments directly. Okay, so here there's an option saying link payment. So your name, account holder name, policy number, email ID, account name, whatever it is displayed here. From here you have to link your account to Google Pay. Say link account. So your account, your policy will be linked to Google Pay account, and here you will you will notice the outstanding premium what is due under your policy. From here you can directly go to pay bill. If you want to see the details of the policy, the premium whatever is payable, so you can click on bill details. If you click on bill details, you will get the entire details like this. Okay, in case if you want to directly pay the premium, so say pay bill. So here you have the option to make the payment. So in Google Pay you will have to pay using UPI from your bank account. The amount will directly be deducted from your bank account using your Bhim UPI. Here you can select whichever account you want, or if you want to add a bank account, you can add another bank account and pay from that bank account accordingly. Once you click on proceed to pay, you will be prompted for UPI pin. You will have to key in your UPI pin and your amount will be debited from the bank account. At once you will receive a message from your bank saying that so and so amount has been debited from your account and paid to so and so. You will get the transaction number and all the details. So here you are done paying with your LIC renewal premiums on the Google Pay app. Once again, a word of caution to all the viewers. You should see that your softwares are up to date, your Google Pay app is up to date, and your cell phone or your Android device should not be having any virus or any spywares or any malwares in it. In case if you have any of those, then you can risk your important information online. If you find this video useful, do like it and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.